Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is minimum valuable product. This video is also available in Spanish. Okay, this is a tool of prototype. It got the following characteristics. It is a product with enough features to satisfy initial customers and provide feedback for further development. It is the version of a new product that a team uses to obtain maximum quantity of validate knowledge about customers with the least effort. For the creation of the minimum valuable product, you will have to follow the following steps. First, know your customer thoroughly. To create your minimum valuable product, it is essential that you understand the needs of your client. Second, analyze your customer competitors. Benchmarking is a really good tool for this. Third and final, prepare the minimum valuable product. It is the trial version of a project. Startups are the ones that use it the most, the MVP concept, as they generally have little money and central idea of great novelty in the market. So that is why it's very important so you can pick your best option. Okay, so when we talk about minimum valuable product, there are a couple of things that you have to keep in mind before you start your development. The first one is that people always think that this tool is just for cost. And although cost is a very important component, is not everything. Also, you need to see your supplies, the process, everything. So the first thing that you need to know is what do you want to test. Then you have to make a lot of prototypes, not just one. When you are working with this, you use it in the test and prototype stages on a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology. However, you need to previously make a lot of prototypes, because if you just make one and it doesn't work, you have to go back all the way and start to doing again. Also, it's very important that you really know all the supplies and cost of every single component that you want to use. If you don't use it and you don't do it properly, you will have a lot of problems with this. Also, it's very important that you understand that the minimum valuable product is a iterative test and it could have errors. That's why you are doing it, and that's why you have to keep that in mind. Okay, so it's very important that you understand what are you testing in the three stages. Okay, minimum, it means minimum production. How many units I need to do to make this happen? I need to have that number precisely. Very important. If you know it, you need to know. And that's why you have to also have minimum cost. Minimum cost is extremely important. You need to know very well all the cost of all your components, of all your supplies to make your product. And also make a projection of how many products you need to sell to make your development viable. It's very important that you analyze that if the product and the prototype that you are testing it's viable in the commercialization, how many units I need to sell and at what cost. I need to know how to make that. Also, is it worth doing it? Here you need to be very realistic and say, okay, I need to sell 1 million units of this. I'm not gonna do it. I'm making a shirt that is not possible. So here you need to be really open-minded and understand that what you are doing perhaps is not worth doing it. And it's better to find out here that when you already make your production. Product, business model. You need to analyze your business model to see if everything is going all right, and also the prototypes, because you need to know all the supplies and the process. That is extremely important that you know all of that. If you don't know it, you are not gonna do it properly, and here you are gonna just say hi to the flag, and we don't want that. We need to know every single thing here, and you need to test this with every single prototype that perhaps you want to develop and create. It's very important that all of these development are user-centered design, are fixing a real problem, and the idea here is that you can develop the best choice. That's why you test a lot of components. So always remember, you start validating the minimum production, cost, and projection. You need to have a specific cost. If someone asks you how much costs this and how you make it, you need to know that every single time. Then you need to know that you are focused on a real need, and the develop that you are making is really helping someone to make a better life. Always remember to fix and create solution of your development. And of course, the minimum valuable product always have to be tested with your users. If they don't like it, if they don't see it, you have to do it again and do it again until you make a proper development. Learn from the user comment is extremely important. If people don't see it and they don't like it, they are the ones who are gonna sell it. Don't make any development subjective. As a conclusion, we can say that this tool allows test prototypes of products or business model before launching, allows you to analyze cost, production, and determine if it is relevant or not to develop. It is very important, the economical part, very important, and also that you know every single step and every single component of the development. That is extremely important. So MVP, it's a tool that really, if you use it properly, can help you a lot in your development. Don't get frustrated if you realize that what you are working is not doing what you were thinking. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. We also have a couple of online courses. You can find the link here in the description of this video. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.